Alright guys, mega shoutout po sa inyong lahat. At tayo po ay magsusundo na ng ating anak. So, okay guys, see you. Natumba. Natumba guys. Wala akong stand, wala akong clip dito. Kaya wala akong stand holder sa aking car. Kaya natumba siya. I think we need to lean a little bit. Yeah. Lean back the phone a little bit. Susundo tayo ng anak guys from school. Sa hangin siguro isara natin yung bintana. Nagtitwist yung phone. Nagtitwist ng phone guys. Mahirap pag walang holder yung phone. So sana hindi naman mahulog. Nahulog yung phone. Ay, labasan na ng mga bata. Dahan-dahanin lang natin para hindi na naman mahulog yung phone ko. Mahirap pag wala kang ano guys. Mahirap pag walang ano yung phone holder. Hindi ka makapag-record ng maganda. So, antayin natin yung anak ko. Nandito yung anak ko. Yan, ilang bisis nahulog yung phone guys. I think 3 bisis nahulog ang phone. Ayan. Maganda yung ano kasi kahit ilang bisis siyang mahulog, hindi nasisira. Lumagatok.
See, Mom, I told you they weren't bullies. They were my friends.
Yeah, that's cool, buddy.
How you're recording?
Yeah, it's always right.
So recording. You're gonna post this on your YouTube, aren't you?
Yeah.
As a short?
Yeah, as a short. Maybe you can hold the phone for me.
Oh, okay.
Ngayon guys, magsusundo na naman tayo ng ating anak. Kanina inihatid natin siya, ngayon po ay magsusundo tayo. Nandito na ako sa school. Nag-aantay lang ako na lumabas sila. Ayan. So, antayin lang po natin na lumabas. Wala pa. So, it's better early tayo kaysa malate tayo sa pagsundo. Kasi mahirap pag wala kang parkingan. Ayan. So, at least may paparkingan tayo. Yan po, hindi pa lumalabas anak ko. Hi.
How are you?
Good, thank you. Ayan, yung friend, husband.
Sorry, I don't want to interrupt recording.
Oh, okay, it's okay. Ayan, that's my friend's husband. So malapit na yung bahay nila, guys. So, naglalakad sila. Malapit din kami, pero medyo malayo-layo. Ano ba yun? Malapit, medyo malayo-layo. Mga ano pa kasi mga 4 blocks away. So malayo din paglalakad mo. Hindi lang 4 blocks eh. Kasi doon pa kami sa dulo. So, siguro pag nag-drive ka mga 10 minutes drive. Ayan. So, ayan. Hinihintay ko lang guys. O, tingnan mo, puno yung parking guys. Ayan, punong parking. So, pag nag-late ako, doon ako sa dulo-dulo doon ng parking ko. So, kaya naging maaga ako guys para mayroon akong parkingan dito paglabas na dito na yung anak ko. Kaya 2 hours lang ang parking dito, 8 AM to 5 PM Monday to Friday. Pero sa likuran ko ay no parking. So kahit dito nga no parking sana kasi kailangan lumagpas ka dyan sa sign na yan, oh. Diba may sign? Ayan, yan, dapat nakalagpas ako dyan kasi no parking dito yung side ko. Anyway, andito naman ako. Hindi ko iniwanan ng car. So, pag pinaalis tayo, aalis tayo. Kasi malapit ito sa gate. Ayan, oh, ang gate, oh. Ayan, sa likuran ng school. So, pag doon ako dumaan sa harapan ng school, ay malayo yung aking ida-drive. Kasi iikutin ko yan, eh. Pero kung dito lang ako sa gilid, mag-park, malapit lang. So, wala pa. Anong oras na? Anong oras? 2:50. Kailangan 2:50 nakalabas na sila eh. But I don't know why. So, ayan, maraming parkingan. So, iikot tayo dito mamaya guys. Dito tayo iikot. Ayan, papunta doon. Ayan, ikot tayo dyan. Nag-double parking nga yung isa. Bawal dyan mag-park. Ayan. Narinig nyo na guys, yan na ang labasan ng mga bata. Yan ang labasan nila. So, hintayin lang po natin. Hintayin natin yung mga bata. Ayan, hintayin natin. Pag naglabasan na yan mamaya guys, sunod na yan, takbuhan na yung mga bata. Marami kami dito guys, oh. Mga parents nandito lahat, sundo at tatid sa mga bata. Ayan, nakahanap siya doon ng isang pwesto, oh. Yung isa, oh, dyan nagstay, oh. Bawal yan, double park yan eh. Pero wala namang may nakakita dito. Kasi residential area yan dito guys. Malapit nang lumabas mga bata. Alright guys, mahababa na itong premiere natin. So mamaya na lang. Okay? Okay, see you. Yan guys, naglalabasan ng mga bata. Ayan. Ayan, naglalabasan na sila. Ayan, lalabas na dyan mamaya anak ko. O, takbuhan na sila, oh. Ayan, takbuhan na sila. Dito na yan ang gate. Sa gilid. Ayan, oh. Gilid ito ng school. Nasa harapan yung doon sa kabila. Gilid ng school. So, ayan, naglabasan na sila, oh. Alright, see you guys all later. Okay. Bigyan may love shoutout sa inyong lahat at salamat sa support at pagmamahal kay Alif Rocan. God bless you all and ciao! This. Bye. Bye. Okay.
Do I zoom in or zoom out?
That's okay. Do whatever you want to do.
Okay, I'm gonna zoom in.
We're going back. We're going back home from school.
Get going back home.
Yeah. So do you know when I started recording it, going to your school?
Probably
The
when
phone
you reach home.
Fell many times.
Really?
Because nobody hold it. We don't have.
Can I see all the failed attempts?
Later, after you record it, so that I have something to upload again.
Yeah.
Thank you so much, son.
Yeah, please record all the failed attempts.
This is
please.
our way back home, mga lalab. Mga lalab. This is our way back home. So, my son is recording for me.
Yep.
Make sure you took all those beautiful trees.
I am.
Because their color changes. So, I really watch the beauty of the autumn season. It dropped many times. We don't have a holder.
I thought we did have a holder.
Yeah, that's for my bike.
Oh.
Not for
And
the
we
car.
don't have a car holder.
Your dad has, but I don't know where he keep it. So I cannot find it.
Oh. I see.
I think your dad got 3 of it. You know, he's always changing his car.
It might be a little bit blurry once I pause this because, like, it's bumpy roads. There's bumpy roads.
I know it's bumpy. You cannot
Yeah.
avoid that. That's okay.
Very bumpy, and sometimes it's a little bit blurry, so I don't
know. It's better to have a holder.
Yeah, better to have a holder.
Maybe I can find something from Amazon.
It might not be best.
Let me gonna search.
There we go. The hill downwards. A car slide, not really.
So we're home.
We're home. Yeah.
We're here. Okay.
Say bye, Mom.
Bye.
Bye.
Thank you for supporting our Falcon vlog all the time. Thank you so much.
Yep. Thank you all so much.
And it's time for us to say ciao.
Ciao?
Bye.
Bye. Ciao. I don't know. Is ciao bye in Philippine?
Yeah. No.
All right.
Chinese, I think. Ciao,
All right.
ciao.
I
Okay,
guess.
give me.
Okay, bye.
Bye, guys. We're home now from school, and my son is recording for me, but I don't know if it is good or not, but that's fine. All right, bye, guys.
Bye, guys. Also, Mom, you forgot to close the